You don't need any expensive equipment, no camera, no website, and this is 100% free. This website that I've never shown you before will pay you via PayPal, Skrill, Paysaw, and Payoneer and works in many different countries all around the globe. But you want to stay tuned and keep watching. Because this is far from the only platform I will be showing you today so you can get paid. Now just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content, and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so the website will be paying us today. And the site you've seen in the intro, that I've never shown before, is this one right here. It's called an Ally. And the link to this platform is an l.ly. Now what this website is and how exactly it's going to pay us, you can see right here. Earn money by sharing short links. So basically, this is a URL shortener like Bitly, which I reckon most of you have heard about before, and have seen on my channel since I've shown it many times over. But with that said, the difference here is that all will get you paid whenever someone clicks on your shortened link. The way this works is as follows. Let's say you shortened a link to some guide. If you give that link to someone and they click on it, before they go to the actual guide, they will first see a bunch of ads and the ad revenue is split between yourself and Ally here. That's essentially how this works and why this platform is different from Bitly and others like it. And by the way, Ally is far from the only platform we will be using today. Using Ally alone will not get you paid, we will need to use another platform to combine it with. And this is why I really want you guys to stay with me and keep watching. So this works out for you. And you don't just skip ahead and miss the most important parts. Now with that said, two things worth noting about this site that as you've seen in that intro as well is that it pays you through a few different payment options, including PayPal, as you can see on the bottom of the page. And by clicking on payout rates just below that, you will be able to see that it does work mostly worldwide. And on this page, you can also see how much you get paid per 1,000 people that click on your link. Anyways, now that you know what this site is, how it can pay you, and that it works in many different countries, let's get to what you want to do on here, as I don't want to waste your time by going over all of its features, since you can do that yourself. The very first thing you want to do is click on the login button in the upper left corner. When you now want to click on create an account right here, as obviously, you don't have one at the moment. On the next page, you'll proceed to either create one through Twitter or Google, or you can enter in your username, email, and password before clicking on I'm not a robot, ticking this box to agree to their terms. And then on create an account below to finish the process. Once you log into your brand new account, this is how everything will look. And as you can see, Ally gives no shortage of info about everything. You can see on here how many shortened URLs you have, how many clicks, your current balance, total earnings, and so much more. And so now that you have your account, let me show you what you will need to do from here. The very next site you want to go to is called Many.link. I have shown this video a while back, so some of you might remember it. But for those of you who don't know what this is, you can see that right here. Many.links put all the links that you want to share on one simple, pretty page. So you only have to share that. So basically, this platform allows you to create a landing page where you can put all of your links in one place. And for that very reason, it's going to be hugely beneficial for us. But there is another reason you want to use this platform. That is because when you try and share your Ally link on some website, for example, you will get banned, plain and simple. But when you use a link to your landing page from this platform, that is not the case. Combine that with the fact that you will be able to add multiple links, and you guys can now see why this site is going to be so helpful for us, and why I said a while back it's hugely important for you to stick around and keep watching. Anyhow, before you can create a landing page, you want to first click on Get Started Today to create your account. And from there, you'll just have to enter in your email address before being able to log in. Now that you have an account on here as well, it is now finally time to find sites whose links we will want to shorten using Ally. And so your next step is to go over to Google. What you will need to search for, in particular, his guides. And they can be related to just about anything. As you can see, have searched for weight loss, since that is a huge niche. And there's no shortage of people who want to lose weight. But what you search for yourselves doesn't make too big of a difference for as long as it's a big niche as well. For example, you can search for how to get six-pack abs, how to gain muscle, or you can avoid the health niche altogether and search for something else. As I said, as long as the niche is big enough, and a lot of people aren't interested in it, it's no big deal. Anyhow, what you will now basically need to do is open up some of these guides and copy their links. You then want to head over to Ally here and then paste the link before clicking on shortened. You will then grab that shortened link, head over to many.link, click on add link right here. On the next page, just paste it in here and add a title. The title should be the same as the title of the guide. So if a guide is called the top 5 ways to lose weight, then that is how you will want to name it. When you are done, just click on create link below to finish the process. And what you guys will want to do is repeat this process for like 2 to 3 guides minimum. So you will grab a link to a guide shortener with an ally. And finally, add the link on to many.links here. And as you can see, I have already done just that, so I don't prolong this video. By the way, something worth noting is that you want to set up your profile accordingly. So make sure to add a profile picture and name that is in the same niche as the guides you're using. I'm using a weight loss guide, so my profile set up in that very niche. Now the last step is to basically get traffic to your landing page here, the link of which you can see right at the bottom. Whenever someone clicks on it, they will be able to see all of these links. Whenever they click on those links, they'll be able to see a bunch of ads before they get to the guide in question. And you will get paid as simple as that. Anyhow, the way you will get traffic is through the use of Facebook groups. Facebook is a hugely popular platform with millions of people using it worldwide. And there are groups in literally any niche you can find. If you're in the weight loss niche like me, that's what you will want to search for. And as you can see, the weight loss groups have 1,000s upon 1,000s of members each, and every single person in these groups is interested in weight loss, obviously, which is perfect for us because they will be more than willing to check out weight loss guide that I'm using as an example. What you will want to do from here is join as many of these groups in order to maximize your results. And what you will want to do from there is leave a post saying something like "These guides help me lose weight, this is the best way to lose weight," and so on. And you want to make sure to emphasize the fact that you are not selling anything, and that they don't need to sign up to any website, you're just providing some value instead. And by doing this, you'll be able to get a lot of clicks because you are simply put not promoting a product, which means your posts will get a lot more reactions and people won't just scroll past it. And not only will you be helping people out because after all, you are in a sense just giving out free guides, but you will also be making a very decent amount of money in the process. So everybody wins in this regard. And also, you won't be banned by these groups because you're not giving out the ally link directly as well. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon.